Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, to do this, you don't need any special tools or anything. The engine air filter is located under the front hood, right here under this cover. So to remove the cover, you have to unclip three metal clips, one on the right side, one down here on the bottom, and one here in the back. To unclip those, you just want to push this bottom part up. See? And they will unlock. Okay. Once that has been done, you want to leave the cover straight up and then pull it gently towards yourself to release it from this you see holes back there, because this cover will have still couple of black you see these tabs inserted into this hole. So what you have to do, you have to lift this side of the cover up and then pull towards yourself to get those out, and you have full access to the filter. Now, in case for some reason you can't lift this cover up enough to remove the filter, then you can loosen up this screw right here and completely remove this top cover, but that most likely won't be necessary because it's quite easy on these vehicles. And now to remove the filter, you just want to grab it and pull it out. As simple as that. And as you can see, this one is quite dirty. I just got this car off the car auction, and the first thing I always do is check the filters, change the oil and things like that. So some general easy maintenance stuff. It's also a good idea before installing the new filter just to clean the inside of this airbox from any dust, debris and similar things. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.